As always, please retry the question before watching the video. So a few things you need to know before we jump into this question. First thing is, when do you have a comma in front of such as? If you don't know the answer to this, add it to your cheat sheet, master it, and go back 5 before continuing in the video. And the answer is when there is non-essential information. If there is non-essential information that comes after the such as, then you need a comma in front of the such as. However, if it is essential, you cannot have a comma in front of the such as. Next thing you need to know, what can never come immediately before or after a colon? The answer to that is for example, such as, or something like that. You can never have for example, such as, or something like that immediately before or after a colon. This one tricks a lot of students because such as will often immediately precede a list of things, and they associate the colon with a list of things, so they choose the colon. However, such as cannot immediately follow a colon, so you need to know that. Last, should you have a comma after such as? The answer is almost never. You should almost never have a comma after such as. So with that in mind, let's go ahead and work through these answers. There doesn't seem to be anything wrong with answer A. There is no punctuation in the middle of a clause. There is an independent clause in a sentence, and there aren't multiple clauses. So it wouldn't be that. And it doesn't break any of the other rules that we just talked about. But answer B, this does break. There's a comma after such as, and there's a comma before such as, and it's essential information. So both of those allows us to eliminate answer B. Answer C, this has a colon with a such as after it, so it is gone for that reason. Answer D has a comma after such as, which you should not do, so answer A is our correct answer. If this makes sense to you, please add it to your worksheet, master it, and then go to the next clause 1 question that you have missed on this test. If this is the last clause 1 question that you have missed on this test, go ahead and do the clause 1 mastery, getting 10 correct in a row before continuing to the next category that you miss the most of.